Hello! Here's something interesting. Kaspa, tech versus narrative. In crypto, two completely different planes are often confused: what is technically verifiable and what is being talked about in the market. The image of Kaspa, tech versus narrative, specifically points to the gap that arises between actual facts and the meanings people later ascribe to them. This gap is not harmless because it is precisely in it that confusion, wrong expectations, and incorrect decisions arise. On one side is the tech. It is cold, measurable, and verifiable. In Kaspa's case, this means that the network functions, that blocks arrive as defined, that proof of work operates, that consensus exists, and that all of this can be technically confirmed. Here, the question is never whether it works, but what exactly it does and what it proves by doing so. Technical facts themselves promise nothing more than what they are: a stable foundation. This foundation is small in terms of narrative, but solid in terms of reality. Code, protocol, and network parameters do not create stories, do not promise price growth, and do not generate emotions. They simply exist, and precisely because of that, they are reliable. On the other side is the narrative, a colorful, appealing world of stories, metaphors, and... Thanks for watching. Share with friends.